uCertify offers Network Defense and Countermeasure Labs for network administrators. So, start your pay for Network Defense and Countermeasure Labs from today with uCertify. Network Defense and Countermeasure Lab covers the concepts like malware, ransomware, security policies, security standards, Trojan horses, and spyware, defending against virus attacks. uCertify Labs includes more than 66 performance-based labs to supplement training by simulating real-world hardware, software, and command line interface environments. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive the certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you will be able to understand password cracking, sniffing, spoofing, session hijacking, backdoors, Trojans, viruses, wireless attacks. To explore more about the uCertify titles and the features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/Pearson Network Defense Lab. You can call us on 415-763-6300 or reach us by an email sales@ucertify.com.